Hey guys, today's question is find champion 2. In this question, we are given with a directed acyclic graph represented by the edges vector that we have given, and integer n, the number of nodes is also given from 0 to n minus 1. And this is a directed acyclic graph, and what the question says is team A will be champion. Oh, sorry, a directed edge from A to B in the graph means that team A is stronger than team B, okay, and team B is weaker, and team A will be champion in the tournament if there is no team B that is stronger than A, okay. So if there is a unique team that is the strongest team in the graph, that means they will be champion, otherwise there will be no champion and we have to return -1, okay. Now let's see this example. As the example, we can see 1 and 2 are connected, so 2 is weaker than 1. 0 and 1 are connected, so 1 is weaker because 0 points to 1, okay. There is a directed edge from 0 to 1, so 1 is weaker. In this case, there is no edge coming towards 0, okay. So in degree of 0, in degree of this node is also 0. In this case, we have to return 0, okay. 0 is our answer because there is no edge stronger than this, as these edges already have a in degree, okay. So this node doesn't have an in degree, that means it is stronger. Now in the second example, we can also see this 0 is in degree 0, okay, and this one also have in degree 0, okay. So as both of them have in degree 0, so both of them are strongest. In that case, we can't determine any answer, so we will return -1, okay. So what we conclude from these examples and our understanding that the team that will be winner will definitely be the team which have in degree 0, okay. So the node that have in degree 0 will be winner if and only if there is only one node that have in degree 0, okay. So what we can do simply is we will make a vector to store in degrees, and after storing in degrees of every node, what we will do is we will traverse over that vector and check whether only one have in degree 0. If only one node have in degree 0, then we will return that node, otherwise we will return -1, okay. We will take a counter to check how many nodes got in degree 0. So initially let's take a vector of to calculate in degree. So vector int in degree for n nodes, initially all set to 0, okay. Now first we will update the in degree of every node by traversing in the edges array. So in the edges array, it is given there is a edge from x0 to x1, okay. So in degree of x1 will be incremented, okay. So in degree of x1 is incremented at every point. Now after this, we have to take a counter to check how many nodes got in degree 0, and also we have to take a answer to store the node which have in degree 0. Initially let's take answer as any value. Now let's traverse in that in degree vector. So for int I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now if the current value is in degree is 0, then what we have to do is if in degree of I is 0, then we have to update our answer as the current value, which is I, and also we have to increment the counter that we have found a value within degree 0. Now if counter reaches 2, that means there are more than one nodes that have in degree 0. In that case, we have to return -1, okay. In that case, there is no answer. So if count is greater than 1, simply return -1 in that case. Otherwise, after this for loop, simply return the answer that we got. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's submit. So the code is accepted. Thank you for watching.